We've got some litter left behind by campers that were here over the 4th of July holiday. We plan to clean that up and make the preserve a nicer place. Fire extinguisher. Today, district staff is cleaning up the Washburn Campground at the Lower Hillsborough Wilderness Preserve in Hillsborough County. My name is Claire Tamborello. I'm a land management specialist with the Land Resources Bureau here at the district. The camper that was here had, it looks like a cooler, a tank of gas out, some laundry detergent, I see some rotting food, a shopping cart. We plan to just collect all the garbage and we're going to bring it back to the district, throw it out, and anything that is not safe to put in our regular dumpster is going to have to head directly to a waste management facility for processing. Our recreation staff manages 29 campgrounds across district lands, across 6 different counties, and every summer we close down the most popular campgrounds for 2 weeks to do some cleanup and restoration of the area. 98% of district lands are open to the public for recreation. The district acquires these conservation lands to minimize flood risks and protect our water resources, to act as a pristine buffer between urban areas and bodies of water. So I encourage all of our campers that come to our campgrounds to follow leave no trace principles, leaving the area just as you found it. Pack it in, pack it out. We've gotten the Washburn Campground cleaned up and it's now ready for the next group of campers that wants to come and enjoy their natural resources.